I'm Melody with Build Curious Studios, and I'm excited again to be back here down in Greenville, South Carolina at the Plus Plus headquarters. Today we are celebrating Moon Landing Day. Shortly before midnight on July 20th, 1969, Neil Armstrong was the first human person to set foot on the moon. The astronauts, the humans that the Americans chose to send up to the moon, were the first people to set foot there, and so that is why our Plus Plus tube is the Astronaut, headed out into the astronomical world of the stars. So we're going to build our Plus Plus astronaut today. From our wonderful little astronaut tube here, we've got the pieces that we need and our little set of instructions, which are also available on the Plus Plus app, so you can download that and have access to all of their designs. We're gonna start with step one. We're going to make two little connectors that look like this. Next up, we're going to make those into kind of almost like little feetsies. On to step four. We are going to add two more white pieces right atop those other white pieces. Next up, we're going to help those legs. We're going to add some stability. We're going to add two more pieces for stability, for connection, right in the middle there. Boom. Step seven, we're going to create the pelvis. Connect these two leggies with one piece. Now we've got the lower portion of our astronaut. All right, one silver, two whites. So I'm gonna take my silver, it's gonna hug arms to arms with this white one here. And then we're also gonna do arms to arms on the other side. And we are going to add that like this. Step nine, one white and one silver are gonna go right atop these ones here, creating the front and back of our astronaut. Now we're going to take our red, white, and blue pieces. We're gonna put that white one right there in the center, up on top. The blue is on, I guess, my left, the left, as you look straight on. Then connected to the white on that side is the red, directly opposite that blue. Another silver, another white. We're going to connect the white directly adjacent to the red here. Then we're gonna do the same thing and put the silver here right next to the blue. Astronaut coming together. We're going to get four more little white pieces, and we're going to make two little connectors. We're gonna have our one plus plus with its arms hug the leg of the other one. That looks like that. So we've got one plus plus hugging the arm of another plus plus, and we're gonna make two of those. We give our Plus Plus astronaut some shoulder pads. So we got our astronaut shoulder pads to hold all of their life-saving equipment, all the equipment that enables them to breathe without an atmosphere. We're gonna take two more little white pieces and enhance those shoulder pads just a bit. So now those shoulder pads almost gonna come like wing-looking things. So we've got one plus plus hugging in the middle. We're gonna take our perpendicular hot dog and we're gonna add this extra little piece right there. Perfect. Got our shoulder pads, got our wings. Next up, another red, another blue. Those are gonna go on our shoulder pads. Red on the red side, blue on the blue side. So kind of wedge that in on top of our shoulder there. We're gonna do the same thing on this side. We're gonna take that blue, boom. Next up, 16, two more whites. They are going to kind of make a sandwich out of these actually. Take this white piece right here. We're gonna add a white piece right like that. We're gonna add that white piece right there, kind of perpendicular double dog. So we got blue, blue, red, red. Step 17, two whites, two silvers. We're going to add those to the bottom of our shoulder pad area. We're gonna do two parallel connectors. White on top, silver on the bottom, silver on top, white on the bottom, however you want to describe it. Then those are going to attach under the armpits and that is where the white is kind of on top and the section is sticking out, sticking forward toward where we have our chest plate. So there's one arm, I guess is what we call that, one arm, and a second arm for our astronaut. So connected right to the blue and the red on those shoulders. We're going to make another one of those 3 parallel connections, 3 pieces hugging arms to arms. And just like our front plate here with the white and the silver, this is gonna go on the back. And time to flip it over. Step 19. We're going to use an orange and a silver to make our neck. So we're going to have our orange, and then the gray is kind of going to seat inside of that. And then we're going to attach the orange to the orange of our breathing apparatus on the back. Next part, we're going to, further expand our breathing apparatus on the back. I don't know if you know this, but air is kind of important, especially when you're going somewhere without it. So we're going to take these 2 orange pieces and do a basic 2D perpendicular connection. And we're going to put that on the back, connected to that gray block, connected to the back of the neck of the helmet of our astronaut. Time for the helmet! We're gonna start with 3 gold pieces. All right, so our 3 blocks are gonna go, we're gonna make kind of our perpendicular, I forget now what we call them, maybe perpendicular sandwich, maybe just 2 pieces connected like this, arm to arm. We are then going to take one and put it on the head or the feet, whichever you want to define that as. So then we have 3 pieces that are connected like this. We're gonna take 1 white and 1 gold, so step 21, step 22, make that into one of these shapes, which is another very common shape to make with plus when you're building things. Then we're going to take a white piece and stick it down in there on one of those sides. So we now have our flat piece with 3 perpendicular pieces connected, and then our white piece is inserted like that. And that's the beginning of our helmet. Now we take 2 more blocks for step 23, and we are going to connect those on either side of this white. So it's actually gonna go arm to gold arm next to that white. We got our 1 white on that side, 1 white on that side. Last 2 golds in the tube. Those are gonna go on the sides of our helmet like that. So just like the white pieces, just 1 more down. So the gold armpit is hugging the gold head footsies there. 2 more white pieces. So we've got 1 little nubbin sticking out. We've got our white pieces on the sides. Got our gold block here. And then we want to add 2 more white pieces to the sides, like this. And then 2 more for step 27. These are kind of like our 2D perpendicular connector, and then we're just gonna pop it up 90-degree angle like that. Very similar to how we started this all for the feetsies. We're gonna make one of those connectors, and that's gonna go over the top with that back part connecting to the nubbin on, I guess, the back of the helmet. We got our top of the helmet, sides of the helmet, underside of the helmet. And now we're gonna try to connect this to the rest of our astronaut right here. Here's our orange with our breathing apparatus on the back. Here's our helmet. The front part is the gold section, and the back part is this section with this little notch right here. All right, so we've got the breathing apparatus connecting the helmet with that silver piece there. We got our gold front of the helmet. Happy moon landing day to anyone who chooses to celebrate such an amazing feat in human technology.